Grab the ends of the bench with your hands, and you're going to activate your core and get rid of this space between your lower back and the bench, pulling in and keeping those abs in. You're going to bring the knees up, and you're going to contract, crunch, bring the knees toward the elbows, and release. Now don't just fall down. You want to control it down. Control. Lift and lower. Exhale on the top and down. And you're keeping your abdominals pulled in and engaged throughout this exercise move. Another variation is a tuck with a leg extension. So you're gonna and extend one leg out, tuck, come down and extend. Now you can come up, down all the way to the bottom of the bench. Exhale. Or if you have the muscle control, you can just stop short and then extend. A little harder that way. So start with coming all the way down and extending. And build up to keeping your lower back just off of the bench. Exhale on the extension of the leg. Another variation, we're going to add on. So we're going to make it more difficult, more challenging. If you're ready for it, bring the knees in, down, and extend. Exhale there. And of course you can alternate with one leg and then both legs. Make sure that you are staying protected through the lower back, through that draw-in, and if at any time your back starts to arch and you're losing the control in this extension, go back to that one leg, or just bring the body down to the bench, okay? Bring your back all the way down. Start there. And work up to this.